Guys, I just got done milling. I am so happy. I was able to get out here and actually get some work done. In this video you're about to watch, we get crushed with snow. A couple feet of snow over the course of a week or so. And I spent a lot of time out here and getting ready to mill this hemlock up. So, you know, if you're gonna have it milled in the northern latitudes, you know, Michigan's not crazy cold. We're in West Michigan, but we do get a lot of snow, and it does just make things a little more difficult. So I'm going to show you some of the difficulties here in this video, guys. So instead of watching me clean this up, watch this mess I have coming out here. So, okay, guys, we'll see you out here at the end. Hey guys, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? I've been out here every day since the snowstorm. You can see how much we got. We got quite a pile, probably about 16 to 20 inches of snow. I got to get it cleaned up. So I got it plowed around here, but I don't have this area shoveled out, and I got to do a little bit more plowing. So next week it's supposed to be back in the 30s. Today, high as 0, somewhere right around there. So this is where I'm staying, just like this, with the headphones keeping my ears warm and this big old bomber hat on. So I'm gonna get shoveling here. I'll talk as I go if my breath permits it. A little bit every day. We'll be ready to be back out here in no time. I don't think it'll be a problem putting the snow under these bunks, this log deck. It's been pretty cool. We expect it. The last few years has been relatively warm. It's sunny out, well, hit and miss. We're getting lake effect again. We woke up with a few more inches of snow today. What a mess. All right, so now I'm going to do this little area. Let me turn you around. It's coming, guys. It's coming along. So now I got to build a road to my logs. I've been out here a couple hours. I've got the mill pretty clean. I need to do a little bit more. I'll come back in the morning. It's getting chilly, clearing up, getting really cold. Sun's out though. It's really nice, that part of it. But I have a lot more work to do. I got to get this cleaned up. So I just smooth it out. It's supposed, like I said, it's supposed to warm up a little bit this weekend. Not this weekend. It's supposed to be 8 below to Friday. But I think early next week it starts warming up, maybe into the 20s and 30s. So I'll be able to get back out here, I hope. So we're going to get this cleaned up so we can get to some logs. I do have some hemlocks I need to mill up to the 3/4 inch. Those will be the first ones I probably get to. The same project that I'm using those 2x4s for is that hemlock too. I'm going to clean this off. Everything's harder. Okay. That'll do it for today. My wife's home. I had a lot today, so I didn't get out here until a little late, and now the sun's down. It's probably darker than it looks on camera, but it's probably 5:30 now. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'll see ya. I won't be out here tomorrow. The reason I'm doing this, I might be doing this all for no reason, because we get another storm. I want to get some milling done before I get my knee surgery. I got some projects I want, but if I can't do it, so be it. But I want to try to keep this cleaned off, because, you know, if I'm back up and running after 6 weeks, that's going to put me in the middle of March, and sometimes we're melted out in the middle of March, and I'll be able to use this if at least when I skim, you know, get all this back. So I think I could use the mill now, so I'm okay with that. I might get out here next week. Today is only the teens. It's really warmed up pretty nice today, so I'm not all of my bibs in that, but it's probably 15, 16 degrees Fahrenheit, and so it's not bad out here today. But I think tonight it's supposed to go down to 8 below zero. Yowzers. That's Fahrenheit for you guys at Celsius. I mean, for us, that's pretty cold. We get that stretch usually once or twice a year for a week, and that's about it. So I could probably use the mill. I got some more cleanup to do on it. I got to get the ice and snow off the rails. I don't know if it's worth doing the wood processor or not. I don't know if I'm going to get to that. So, all right. If I get back out here, I'll take you out here. Who knows? I might be doing all this video and nothing comes of it. Hey, we're back out here again trying to get this cleaned off. So I'm going to mill today. I don't know what the date is, but we're going to mill some hemlock. So we're going to get this mill cleaned up, get this area cleaned up, and get after it. We're supposed to get some more snow today, but not much. So I'm going to get this cleaned off. I've been looking for that one. Buried in the snow. Hey guys, I finally got back out here after a couple of weeks. We've been just getting bombarded with snow, 4, 5, 6 inches every single day, and I just can't keep up with it. But I thought I lost the lumber yard to snow and I wasn't going to get back out here for a while. But how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, and I was able to get it all cleared up. Now, obviously, I haven't done nothing with the logs. I haven't done a thing. Snow's still on them, but I want to get these hemlocks milled up. And I watched my friend Dave with Old Man in the Saw today. This morning, today's Monday. You'll see this video tomorrow. And he was milling hemlocks. I said, you know, I'm going to finish the job and get out here and get these hemlocks milled up. Snow machine going by. But over the last couple of days or 2 weeks, we've probably gotten close to 2.5 feet of snow. It just keeps coming and coming. But we're in a warm up this week. Today it's like 20 degrees or 21 degrees. Really nice out here. I'm kind of overheating a little bit. I got a big vest. Oops, sorry about that. I have a big vest on under here. So I'm going to get this milled up. So guys, if you want to see this milled up, you got to come back next week. Sorry about that. I've got this log up here. It takes a lot if you want to mill in the wintertime. Basically, that's what this video is about. What do you got to do in the wintertime if you're considering buying a mill and you live in the northern latitudes like we do? We're in West Michigan. I mean, it's not like crazy winters here, but we get winters that usually put me out of commission. Now, the last few years, I've been bringing the sawmill into the garage to do some work and some modifications to it, but I've just been so busy, I haven't had time to do it. I have a knee surgery coming up in a couple of weeks, so that's going to slow me down a little bit. So I'm just trying to get my ducks in a row for this spring. So the mill's working great. There's a few things I do want to do to it, but if I don't get to it right now, it's fine. I'll be able to, when my leg heals up, I'll be able to hit the ground running. So guys, if you want to see how I mill this log up and what I'm using it for, come back next week and we'll see ya. Thank you very much. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.